Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their capacities, features, and prices to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine boasts a capacity of 0.9 cu fort, making it suitable for small households or apartments that need more washing capacity. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has an 11L capacity, which is ideal for individuals or travel, but significantly smaller than the Comfy. This difference in capacity can affect how much laundry you can wash at once. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine offers 5 wash cycles, including heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, along with an LED display and auto-unbalance detection for stability. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a more basic design with fewer features, focusing on portability and ease of use. This makes the Comfy a more versatile option for varied laundry needs. When it comes to price, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, which reflects its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is much more budget-friendly at just $65. This significant price difference makes the Mini a great option for those on a tight budget or looking for a simple solution for small loads. In conclusion, both the Comfy Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine have their unique advantages. The Comfy is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and more features, while the Mini is perfect for travelers or those with limited space. We hope this comparison helped you make a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.